Hello everyone, welcome to online class of computer. This is Mansi Mukherjee, your computer teacher. Before I start, I would like you to remind you, please like, share and subscribe my channel for new notification. Let's start.
Let's start our chapter 1, Advanced MS Excel 2013. This means we are going to work on an application software. Version is 2013. Let's begin with the question, what is MS Excel? MS Excel is a commonly used Microsoft Office application. It is an application software. It is a spreadsheet program which is used to save and analyze numeric data. If we are working on MS Excel software, that simply means we are dealing with numeric data only. Either we are doing some sort of calculations, analyzing, or statistical format of the data. Now our topic is cell referencing. First of all, understand what is cell referencing. Cell reference refer to a cell or a range of cell on a worksheet. Any cell or any range of a particular cell is called cell reference. In MS Excel, we have three cell reference: relative cell reference, absolute cell reference and mixed cell reference. By default, relative cell reference is being used. And absolute cell reference, what is that? It begins with a dollar sign. And mixed cell reference is the combination of relative cell reference and absolute cell reference. Relative cell reference. Just only I tell you, in Excel the cell reference which is used by default is relative cell reference. It is very simple and journal type of cell reference. Absolute cell reference or absolute reference. We can say in either way, absolute reference or absolute cell reference. Similarly for relative and for mixed also. So absolute cell references don't change when you copy the formula to other. An absolute reference is referred in a formula by using dollar sign. So this symbol is very much important. For giving a particular cell address, if you use this symbol, that means we are referring to an absolute cell reference. Mixed cell reference is made up of both absolute cell reference and relative reference. Now, practically we will understand all the cell references. So, let us move to the Excel sheet now. So, let's start. First of all, I will tell you how to open Excel sheet. Go to Start. Click on MS Excel 2013, or you can go by all program. There you can search Microsoft Office and there you can find out your Excel software. Like Microsoft Office 2013, here I got the Excel software. Okay, this is your spreadsheet or what we call blank workbook. This is a workbook. Whatever the cell, this is an active cell. Okay, and what will be the address of this cell? E4. First the column should be column name and then the row number. This way, this is the address of this cell is E4, right? So now let us understand relative reference, absolute reference and mixed reference. That is cell referencing. So what is relative cell reference? Practically how it's calculated, I'm going to show you right now. So first of all, wherever you want to execute the formula, you have to select the cell. For example, I'm selecting this cell. This is the data which contain the price of pen, pencil, eraser, and the quantity. So now I will be calculating the total cost. How it will be? Equal to, select the cell. For example, I have selected this B2, multiply this one, right? So this is relative, simple. Now press enter. 10 5s are 50. It's clear? Simply drag from the corner. The formula will get copied and the address will change accordingly. Let me show you. What is the address of this? Look here, B2, C2. Now address of this, B3, C3. So automatically the address is being changed. So this is relative reference. Now absolute reference, where we want to keep one quantity entirely fixed. We don't want it to change. For example, whatever the price or whatever the product we are buying, I want only 5 quantity of that. So I will have to keep this thing fixed. So let's see how the formula will go. Equal to, this will multiply this. But we have to fix this for the entire products. So how, you know how to fix? We have to put dollar sign. By putting the dollar sign, we have fixed this cell. Press enter. So 10 5s are 50, right? Now we will simply drag and all the formula get copied. But what's the difference between the previously one and this one? This one, look here. What is the formula of this? B2, D1 is fixed. This one is fixed. Look here for this. B3, we have not fixed this, so it's B3. And dollar D1, dollar 1. So this one is fixed. So this is the way if we put a dollar sign, we will be able to fix one cell or a group of cell, whatever we want to fix. Fine. Is that clear? Okay. Now let us understand mixed cell reference. Combination of these two cell references. So how it will be? Suppose again same thing, equals to price multiply. Now what we are doing, we are fixing, this one is C2, okay? So we are fixing the column first. Let's see what happened. 50, we are getting the result. Now let's copy. So we have copied, we are getting 5 8s are 40, 5 5s are 25. But look at the formula, what is happening? We have fixed this column, right? So what is the formula of this? Let me show you from the show formula. Look here, the formula of this B3. C is being fixed for the entire series, entire column, but the row is getting changed. Fine. Fine. Is that clear? Another way. Let's understand in another way. So now I will fix the row. Now let's see what will happen. Multiplication, I'm fixing the row, that is C $2. So dollar sign is being used to fix. So the row is fixed. See the formula? C $2. In the formula bar also you can see the formula of a particular cell, or you can go to the formula tab. Show formula is there. So there you can see. Fine. Let us copy. Now see what has happened. Again, go to formula, show formula. Look here. Row has been fixed. Everywhere row is fixed. Fine. We are it is taking C2. 5. See, 5 8 it has to be 40 if normally we have used relative cell reference. But what it's taking, 5 5s are 25, 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10, because we have fixed this row, this cell, or I say fix this row. Okay. So now you understand difference between relative cell reference. By default, the Excel uses this cell reference. Absolute cell reference when we are fixing one cell, and mixed cell reference. We can fix row, we can fix a column, or we can fix the both. So I hope till these things are clear. So keep revising.
You can also download the Excel software from the Play Store, those who are having mobile, and Microsoft Office if you are having in your system, so you will have the Excel software. Keep revising. Thank you.